Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make organization chat on Microsoft Word. Some provide full guide. At first time, remove this. Simply just go to your insert option and you get smarter. Go to this site and just select on. Press on to OK. At first remove this. Press on this icon, then you get this box. Just write name, press enter, then open, and press enter, then open another. Or shift key, just enter, then open one by one and showing it to style. Okay, if you want to change color, that's it.